meeting up with a subscriber today. We're sitting up here and just getting the reflectors put in the windshields. We're fixing to go walk this little town of Nashville, Indiana. This will be her first night to camp in her car. There you go.
Wait till.
Let's go check this town out. Okay, we're going to leave the cabin and go to the village stables. Or is this... this is a blacksmith thing. And right there is a chestnut tree. I think this is the blacksmith. Established in 1837. Nice. And I'm guessing this is the little church in the schoolhouse. But let's go over here and see what the sign says, because I'm wrong a lot of times. Oh, Dr. 𝙨𝙧𝙧𝙧𝙧𝙧𝙧. So this was the doctor's office. I was way off with the schoolhouse and the church. Nice. Could you imagine sitting in that chair and the doctor pulling your tooth? Because they didn't have painkillers like we have today. What a neat looking chair that is. I don't think I've ever seen one like that before. This was the examination room. Let me get over here. And I don't know that they had x-rays back in them days. I guess they just put you in this room and she's getting her dose of pain meds here. So Dr. Ralphie collected bugs and butterflies, and they have them in this picture frame behind glass, but you'll see a reflection. He's got every known bug in the area and butterfly in there. That is cool. Okay, we came in on that side, so let's go back through this side and see what it is, and then we'll go over to the jail. That is the smokehouse over there, but because of the humidity, the door has swelled and we can't get it open. Let's go in here and see what's in this place. Keep my sunglasses up. Oh, this would kind of be all the tools in the barn. Look at that old side saddle for women. Corn shucker. There's some locks and keys over there. They don't make them like that anymore. Look at those big cast iron vats. All right, we are now going to go to the old jail. because they even had crime back in them days. So if I don't show back up, y'all come looking in the jail. I might be in jail. This goes upstairs. We don't know where it goes to. The lady that works here tried to see if she could open it for us. That would have been cool to go inside there. Just tell us the information about the jail here.
Okay. So this jail was built in 1879. It replaces the first jail that was built in 1837 and that was destroyed by a fire. The interior and exterior walls are made of 12-inch square logs placed horizontally. In between the two layers of horizontal logs, the builder placed vertical timbers, making the walls about 3 feet thick. There was no escaping. Window openings were secured with 1/2-inch double iron grates, plus a solid cast iron shutter on the outside that could be padlocked. By law, male and female prisoners were to be separated in jails, prisons, etc. Therefore, female prisoners were housed upstairs and were warmed by the stovepipe connected to the downstairs stove. The jail was used from 1879 to about 1912, 1919.
So they had that big old steel door there. And the walkway is narrow and low. You have to duck to get in. There's the stovepipe that warmed the upstairs also. It don't look like they housed very many prisoners at a time. Look at these logs. A friend from the Historical Society has unlocked the upstairs part of the jail for us to go in. And she also said that there is a skull of a two-headed cat up here. Caution, low door. And again, this is where the women were housed. And you can see the remnants of the fire from the first building. If you remember, she told us that the first one burned. And then in this little box here, see if I can get a good picture of it. That's going to be a reflection there. Is a two-headed calf. Oh, not cat, calf. Oh my goodness. That is weird. I have never seen that before. It's time to cook lunch. In the rice cooker, I have a big old seasoned pork chop. In the pancake maker, I have a hash brown cooking. Once my pork chop is done, I'll throw the baked beans in to heat up. And that'll be my lunch. Let's check this pork and see if it's done. $135. Nope, it's not done yet. It should be $145 to $160. I got my pork chop resting. I got my barbecue beans in the rice cooker heating up. The hash brown potato is looking good. It'll be a great little meal here. Y'all, that was so good.
Hi, thanks for coming in to see me at this van life. I'd come off the beaten path come visit us in Little Nashville. Get your super fun old time photo.
There you go.
One way to see, one way to